Assalamu alaikum students. Today we start the next part of the question number 2. Part 8, I is equal to cosecant cube x dx. This can be written as cosecant x and cosecant square x dx. This is first function, second function. So here u is equal to cosecant x and v is equal to cosecant square x. So derivative is derivative of cosecant x is cosecant x cot x minus cosecant x cot x, and integral of this is the cosecant square is the derivative of minus cot x. So u integral of v minus integral of v derivative of u. So we have I is equal to cosecant x into minus cot x minus cot x minus cosecant x cot x, or minus cosecant x cot x minus cosecant x cot square x dx, or minus cosecant x cot x minus integral of cosecant x cosecant square x minus cosecant x dx, or minus cosecant x cot x minus integral of cosecant cube x cosecant square x, and minus plus cosecant square x dx. This one is given value, so we have minus cosecant x cot x minus I plus cosecant square integral I have just taken this one, that is minus cot x plus c1. Take this one I from right to left, so I plus I is equal to minus cosecant x cot x minus cot x plus c1, or 2I is equal to minus cosecant x cot x minus cot x plus c1. I is equal to 1/2 minus 1/2 cosecant x cot x minus 1/2 cot x plus 1/2 c1, I is equal to minus 1/2 cosecant x cot x minus 1/2 cot x plus c, where c is equal to 1/2 c1. So this is the answer of this. First of all, cosecant cube, we split cosecant and cosecant square, and rest of the question is like this. Question number 3. Show that e power ax sin bx dx is equal to 1 over square root of a square plus b square e power ax sin bx minus tan inverse b over a plus c. Student, this is a lengthy question, long question, so I started very quickly. let I is equal to e power ax sin bx dx. This is first function, second function. So first function, integral of second, so minus cos bx over b minus integral minus cos bx over b, derivative of this one a into e power ax dx. So 1 over minus 1 over b e power ax cos bx plus a over b integral e power ax cos bx dx. This is first function. Second function again, this remains same, minus 1 over b e power ax cos bx plus a over b into first function sin bx over b minus sin bx over b into a e power ax dx minus 1 over b e power ax cos bx plus a over b square e power ax sin bx minus a into a square, b into b square. So a square over b square integral a power e power ax minus 1 over b e power ax cos bx plus a over b square e power ax sin bx minus a square over b square into integral of e power ax sin bx. This is equal to I. I am going to rub before erasing this one. I tell you again, I is equal to integral of e power ax sin bx. This is the first function. Integral of second minus integral of second, derivative of first. So we have minus 1 over b e power ax cos bx minus plus a over b e power ax cos bx. Again this value is same, plus a over b. First function, second function. First function, integral of second minus integral of second, derivative of first. Minus 1 over b e power ax cos bx plus a over b square e power ax sin bx minus a square over b square integral of e power ax sin bx. So here take this value from left to right, right to left. So we get I plus a square over b square I is equal to minus 1 over b e power ax cos bx plus a over b square e power ax sin bx. Or here you may, if you want to write, you may write c1. So c1 will remain there throughout. So here a square plus b square over b square into I is equal to minus 1 over b e power ax cos bx plus a over b square e power ax sin bx plus c1. Take this value a square plus b square over b square from left to right. So I is equal to b square over a square plus b square into minus 1 over b e power ax cos bx plus b square over a square plus b square into a over b square e power ax sin bx plus b square over a square into c1. Cancelled here. This is also cancelled. So here we have b over a square plus b square into minus e power ax cos bx plus a over a square plus b square e power ax sin bx plus c, where b square over a square plus b square c1 is equal to c. Now check the student up to this, up to here, minus a square or b square into I, we are taking from right to left, so I plus a square or b square I, this remains same, these three terms, minus 1 over a e power ax cos bx plus a over b square, this one. Take the LCM here and shift this value from left to right, so this will multiply with all these three terms. There are three terms, so all the three terms will multiplied by this. So b square over a square plus b square, b and b cancel, only b over a square plus b square minus e power ax cos bx is left, plus b square cancel, so we have a over a square plus b square to e power ax sin bx, plus this is a complete constant term, so I have written that is c. Next. This may be also be written as I is equal to, I am writing this value first, a over a square b square plus b square into e power ax sin bx plus minus b over a square plus b square e power ax cos bx. This one, this is the. Now I am taking the common value 1 over a square b square and e power ax common, so a sin bx minus b cos bx. I have written plus value first, minus later on, and checking out common 1 over a square plus b square and e power ax common, so a into sin bx is left minus b into cos bx is left. This is our question number 1. Suppose let a is equal to r cos theta and b is equal to r sin theta. This is like the polar form, polar coordinates, which you have already done in the first year. So squaring and adding, a square plus b square is equal to r square cos square theta, r square sin square theta. So we have a square plus b square r square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. So it means that r square is equal to a square plus b square, or r is equal to square root of a square plus b square. And likewise dividing these two, so we get r sin theta, r cos theta is equal to b over a, b r sin theta, a r cos theta. So r sin theta over r cos theta both are cancelled, so it is tan theta is equal to b over a, or theta is equal to tan inverse b over a. We have already done this thing in first year class. Replacing these values in equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies I is equal to 1 over a square b square, that is r square. E power ax a sin bx. A is r cos theta sin bx minus b is r sin theta cos bx. 1 over r square e power ax. I am taking r common, so the remaining is cos theta sin bx minus sin theta cos bx. R and this one cancel, so 1 over r e power ax. Now here I am just rearranging these values. Sin bx cos theta minus cos bx sin theta. Sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. So 1 over r, that is r is, so 1 over square root of a square plus b square e power ax, this value, and here we have sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. So sin alpha minus beta, sin alpha minus beta, this is the r 1 over square root of a square plus b square e power ax sin bx minus theta value is tan inverse b power a. Now check, plus constant of integration remains same. Plus constant of integration was here, that will be there. Now here quickly I repeat the value. I is equal to this one. Here we are supposing a is equal to r cos theta, b is equal to r sin theta, taking square on both sides of these two equations and adding. R square is common, so cos square plus sin square is 1, so r square is equal to this one, r is equal to, dividing these two, so r sin theta over r cos theta is equal to b over a. Tan theta is equal to b over a, theta is equal to tan inverse b over a. So here this equation, just replacing the value, a square plus b square is equal to r square, and r cos theta, b is r sin theta. So r is common, so I have taken out common, r and r cancel, cos theta sin bx minus sin theta cos bx. I have just rearranged sin bx cos theta, this one. This we have a formula, sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. So sin alpha minus beta. So sin alpha minus beta. So theta is tan inverse b over a. So I have just replaced the value. So it is proved. So hence proved. So this is the question, and this is very important question, long question. So try to solve this one. Thank you very much.